Oh, no. Oh, I can't believe my sleigh just crashed. I'm never gonna be able to deliver these presents. Time to call the elves.
Thank you for calling the North Pole. This is Jinglefoot, the elf.
Jinglefoot, sleigh just crashed. Need the parts kit now. What do you mean 3 days shipping? I need it now!
Santa, you're in Bakersfield, California. We can't get you the parts in time.
Oh, Bakersfield. Wait, I know a guy.
Thank you for calling Sierra. Santa, you need your sleigh fixed? All right, we're on it.
Hello? Hey, Santa, how are you?
Oh, thanks again, John. I owe you one.
No, Santa, you don't owe me anything. I'm just happy to be able to help you to get on your way. Those kids are waiting for you tonight. You're welcome. All right, Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.